Hi everybody, this is a quick tutorial on how to change the day and date and also the exercise time and date for your Generac generator. The first thing to do is lift up the cover and go to your display panel. This is what you should normally see when you come in to start. What you have to do, we have to get out of this menu by going to the escape button. When you get here, we want to go to the menu that is named submenu over here. So to do that, you would press the up or down arrows and cycle through till we get the submenu field to disappear like that, or actually in your case it might flash on and off, which means you have selected submenu and then you hit enter. Now we want to go to the next menu, which is edit. So down arrow again until edit disappears or flashes, enter, gets to a language setting which will be English. This is your fuel. Just keep going with the down arrow. This is cold start. We'll just keep it as a yes. And now you get to the current date and time when you press the down arrow again. So here now you would press the enter button and cycle through your month, date, year, time, etc. to change it to whatever you want. Mine is already on the right setting, so I'm going to leave it to what this is. The next thing we want to do is look at and change the exercise date and time. So to do that, what we will do is, we are in the same menu, we're going to go one more down. So I'm going to press the down, and then that brings us to the exercise time. What you can see here is it's 12 p.m. for me, Saturday, and I'm doing it weekly. You can change the duration, you can change the date, and you can change the time, and we'll do that now. So to do that, you hit enter. This lets you do the frequency. You could go weekly, bi-weekly with the up or down. I want to keep it on weekly, so I'm not changing this. Enter again. That goes to a quiet mode. Some people said that you want to do this on no, but so you can hear the thing. Mine is set on yes, and I can hear it just fine. So I'm going to keep it yes. You could keep no if you want to do that. Enter one more time, gets you to the hour. 12 means 12 p.m. If you wanted to do 8 a.m., you would do 08. If you wanted to do 2 p.m., you would do 14. Next screen gets you to the minute. If you want to set it on certain minutes past the hour, makes no sense to do, honestly. Just leave this as a 0. So that will be, in my case, 12:00 p.m. Enter once more, brings you the date, and again you can go up and down to change it. I'm going to leave mine on Saturday, which is the day I want my test to run. Once you have that set, enter again, and that gives you what your current or new settings are going to be, and that is all you have to do. That's how you would set it. Other things within here is similar logic with going and escape, enter, up and down. To get back to our main screen, I'll have to do escape a few times and enter. This is a typical alarm log. I'll just escape out and go back to the home screen once again. And that's all it is. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a like, give us a subscribe. That helps us spread our message. Bye.